Hello, my name's Francesca Bingley and I'm a nurse. I've been qualified for 6 years now and I've had the privilege of working with people in hospitals, in the community, both within the NHS and the private sector. So today I want to stand with all those others that are saying no to the mandate that forces our healthcare system to choose about being vaccinated or unvaccinated. This goes against our moral code of ethics to force anyone to choose a point of losing their job, whether or not they accept a treatment. This comes down to what it is to stand by a code of ethics that we practice every day with people that are our patients, that we give them information about what they take, and it is then their choice, whether we agree with it or not, whether they accept that treatment. What's shocking is that we're not offering the same thing to our staff. So it's going to create a divide. And I don't want to be part of a healthcare industry that sees us separate, that creates segregation. So right now we have the opportunity to change the tide of where things are going within the UK by coming together. So we can uphold those very codes, the moral ethics, and avoid a real moral injury to how we are on the inside, that we didn't just stand by and sleepwalk our way into this problem, that we can prevent it and we can actually lead from the front. I would hope, including for myself, that we all feel encouraged by our power, the things that we've achieved already, but also that we can change the future, that we set ourselves up for something that we will be really proud of for future generations. So I ask today that you also add your voice to the mix, that you also say no to something that is unethical. Thank you.